No, you can do these yourself. That's the whole point of presents. So you're going to open them all by yourself.
Don't look.
We're not going to look, then you're going to show us. You couldn't wait anymore?
Oh my gosh!
What is that?
What is it?
Let me see. Turn it around. Turn it around. It's a snowman cookie.
Cookie!
Isn't that nice?
Cookie! I got a cookie, Mama! Snowman cookie!
No, my cookie.
Someone opened it. Don't look. Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Oh my gosh!
What is that?
Chocolate!
Oh my goodness.
Chocolate! But where's my bargain dog?
I don't know. You have a lot of presents to open. You'll have to just check. Keep going.
Oh! Oh!
What's that?
Oh, lollipop!
Isn't that what you wanted?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Gingerbread man! Oh, look at this!
Yeah, that's called, what is that called? I guess confetti. Long confetti.
Thank you, Santa! Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Oh my god. Oh, what is that?
She couldn't wait. So excited.
Looks like they are extremely nice.
Oh my gosh, this is what I wanted!
Oh my gosh, it's a Barbie doll. Who is that?
Belle.
Yes, isn't that wonderful? Oh my gosh.
Belle!
Oh!
Don't look.
Not looking. When you're ready, show it to the camera.
I think I knew.
She woke up at 6:45 today, excited.
Oh, 40 presents or 100. Wait. Oh. Oh my gosh!
Can you turn around completely? What? Oh my goodness. That's okay. What did you
I
get?
just want to show you everything.
That's a lot of candy, huh?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, is that your favorite?
Yes. Oh, in no time.
Here, let's make a little pile.
In no time. Oh, I want to open the big one.
You do?
Big one.
Scoot it over here, sweetie.
Wait, it's too heavy.
It is. Let me help you.
I'm strong.
Oh, wow.
Here's something.
Bring it over to the front.
Something.
Oh,
What was that?
A dog!
How do you know?
Is it a real one?
No, Santa wouldn't bring you a real dog in a box.
Oh my gosh!
What?
A dog! A dog! A dog! A dog! A dog! A dog! A dog!
Did you get it? Is that what Santa told you? Gotta open the whole thing, sweetie. We'll open the box after, but open the whole wrapping paper. Can you do that?
Never mind. Little. Oh, thank you.
And it's a for real. Dia, can you turn around a little bit so I can get some video too? Thank you.
hey guys.
Marshmallow.
Oh my goodness. Isn't that what you wanted?
It's big marshmallows.
You got jumbo and little ones?
They smell good. look. I think, is there?
You gotta figure it out and see if you can open
I
it.
have a big lollipop again.
That's the same one. That's the snowman cookie.
Santa ate all the cookies.
Santa
They
ate all
can
the...
give me lollipops too.
I'm not sure. You already got lollipops. You got different types of lollipops. You got chocolate lollipops and snowman cookie pops. I'm not sure.
Don't look.
How come we can't see you opening it on camera?
Linda!
What is that?
Beautiful, beautiful Linda. Linda.
It's actually a nice, pretty dress, sweetie. Here, give
I
it.
never got that kind of Linda. Huh? What is it? Ready for now? Don't look. Don't look.
What is that? Oh my goodness. Is that something you can paint?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
I thought it was just a banana.
You thought it was what?
I thought it was a special banana. This color.
You're funny.
Oh. What? Good.
I guess you were on the nice list.
I'm on the naughty list.
I know that.
I think Santa made a mistake. What do you think?
No.
I can't believe you had your dream about Santa coming.
I had it.
Did you tell Mama what happened?
And the time Santa came and checked on me by his teacher. Oh! A special shirt! I love my shitty.
It's a jacket.
Oh! Shirt, skirt, run.
Not really, but close enough.
So do that. Why are you so silly at me? What are you doing, little boy? Oh. Big fat turkey, big fat turkey, big and fat. I don't eat you. I don't eat you. That, just like that.